Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to enable laser on KP3S. This is the laser we use today. You can buy it in our shops soon. Here are some holes you can mount the laser. So we will install it on the right side of the printhead. It slides on the X-axis as the printhead do. First, remove the screws. Then remove the bottom cover. Unplug the fan carefully. Make sure the chip is STM32F103 or GD32F303. It will be available for STM32F407 soon. Lose the joint. Take the wrapper out. Put the laser cable through the hole. Lose the HE1 port. We will use this port to power the laser. Put the cable in. Don't mix the negative and positive. Tighten the screws to fix the cables. Connect the fan back. Put the bottom cover on. Tighten the screws to fix it. Then you can proceed to the next step. Go visit https://lasergrbl.com/download/. Download Laser GRBL. Follow the wizard to install it. Open the Laser GRBL. Import the file that you want to carve. Set the carving size. The largest size is 150*180 mm. Save the file when you finish. It should be NC format. After that, put the file and firmware into your SD card. Don't forget anything. Put the SD card in and turn on the printer. It will start to flash the firmware. This will take some time. Please keep the printer on during the updating. The interface will be changed after that. You will find two mods then, they are switchable. After that, you need to test the laser function. Click Light On to turn on the laser. It is fine if the laser lights up. Remove the printhead cover. Connect the laser from inside. Adjust its position. The laser should be slightly higher than the nozzle. Now we are ready to put it back. Install the printhead cover back. Tie the cables well. Now you are ready for carving. Adjust the printhead height manually, aiming the area that you want to start with. Carving mode won't auto-home, so you need to set them manually. Then you are ready to go. It will start to carve. You'd better wear a protective goggle, it's shining. The result is quite good. Besides, those two modes are easy to switch. All you need to do is putting the protect board on. Manually aiming. Switch to carving mode. Your KP3S will be a great carving machine. That's all for today. Files and links are in the description. Happy 3D printing!